Hi, my name is David Blatner. I'm the president of CreativePro Network, and I want to tell you about a tool that I've been working with that I think you should know about. But first, I need to be clear about who this video is for and who it's not for. If you work all by yourself, this is not for you. If you have no clients, no colleagues, no boss, no friends, no one who needs to review your designs or that you have to get approval from, this video is not for you. But if you're a designer working in a team, like if you need to get comments from stakeholders, approval from legal, or sign off before hitting send or print or export or whatever, then you need to look at PageProof. Because PageProof is an online in-browser system for managing your comment and review process. And you're thinking, wait a minute, we already have this, right? Because you're probably using PDF comments in Acrobat, or maybe you've tried Adobe's Share for Review features. So yes, Adobe does offer some of these tools, but they're nowhere near as powerful or organized as PageProof. Like, you know those initials MVP? With Adobe's comment and review tools, MVP basically means your minimum viable product. That's a standard software term that means just enough to get the job done. It works. It's fine. But with PageProof, well, they go way above and beyond that. And you'll soon realize that PageProof is a different kind of MVP. It's like most valuable player. It doesn't just work, it enables. It smoothifies. Is that a word? Okay, what can you proof? Well, you might as well ask, what can't you proof? Because PageProof has just about every base covered. You can proof PDF files, of course, but also InDesign files, Illustrator graphics, Photoshop images, marketing emails, websites, audio, video, PowerPoint, Figma prototypes, Premiere or After Effects projects, even Excel spreadsheets. I mean, seriously? Ultimately, though, where PageProof really shines is in how it understands teams. For example, you can create groups like design team, manager, sales, legal, and so on. And you can set up rules like, don't let legal see this until my boss has signed off on it. Now, this ability to set up automated routing so the right people see the proof in the right order, it's just so much better than scattershot emailing a PDF to everyone or trying to remember who's gotten it, who hasn't, and so on. Oh, and this is important. You don't have to pay for each and every reviewer. When you have a team or enterprise plan, you get unlimited users and unlimited reviewers for no additional cost. So if you're working on a brochure and you need to send it to an outside editor, you just send them an invite and boom, they're in. Plus, because PageProof is a secure, fully encrypted system, you don't have to worry about stuff like accidentally emailing your company financials to someone outside your organization. Oh yes, that's been known to happen. Now, if you work with Monday or Slack or some other workgroup tools, you'll be happy to hear that PageProof can integrate with them too. And here's the crazy part. You can pull everyone's feedback directly back into InDesign or Photoshop or any of the other major Adobe apps so that you can see those comments and make your edits without flipping back and forth from one app to another. The folks behind PageProof came from the design world. They get it. They know your pain. And so they invented this really smart solution for teams. If you want to try it out, head over to pageproof.com, sign up for a free trial, and just jump in. It's not that hard. Okay, this is David Blatner for CreativePro signing off. Looking forward to next time.